In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Rollup feature in Airtable. Rollup is a powerful tool that allows you to calculate values from a set of related records. Whether you're managing a project, organizing data, or analyzing results, Rollup can be incredibly helpful for summarizing information in a concise and efficient manner. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to your Airtable base. Open up Airtable in your web browser and navigate to the specific base where you want to use Rollup. Once you're there, you're ready to start working with Rollup fields. Once you have your base open, look towards the far right of your table. You'll notice a plus sign at the end of the last column. This is where you can add a new field. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This will prompt you to add a new field to your table. Adding a new field is the first step in creating a rollup, so this is an important step. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be prompted to choose the type of field you want to add. From the list of options, you'll want to select Rollup. Rollup fields are used to perform calculations on a set of related records, which can be really handy in a variety of scenarios, such as calculating totals, averages, or even more complex functions. Once you've selected Rollup, the next step is to configure your Rollup field. Here, you'll need to specify a few things. First, you have to choose the linked record field that contains the records you want to calculate. This is how Airtable knows which records to include in the Rollup calculation. Next, select the field that contains the values you want to calculate. This could be a field containing numbers, dates, or any other type of data you want to summarize. Once you've chosen the field, you'll then choose the aggregation function. Airtable provides several functions, such as sum, average, max, min, and more, allowing you to tailor the rollup to fit your specific needs. After setting up your rollup field with the appropriate linked records, field values, and aggregation function, you'll see the calculated results displayed in your new rollup field. This can help you quickly analyze your data and gain insights without having to manually calculate those values. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a rollup field in Airtable. This feature is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and make data-driven decisions with ease. As you continue to explore Airtable, you'll find that rollup fields can be a game changer in how you manage and interpret your data. Thank you for watching, and happy Airtabling!